Yo, what's up, Doug? It's Darren Duncan, the Cool Kid Collector. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and sending me that email. Nobody does that. There's not a single company on the planet that does things like that. I truly appreciate you. Two of my favorite pieces in my house have been bought from CSR Collectibles. I got my Blair Witch Project thing that I couldn't find anywhere on the internet for a good price, and I got it from you guys, and you guys hooked it up. Could not find a Millie Bobby Brown anywhere on the internet for a decent price in the size that I wanted, of the photo I wanted. You guys nailed it. Absolutely 100%. I love CSR Collectibles, and I will be back as a customer. I truly appreciate everything that you guys do, bringing collectors like me and letting people like me, getting my children and my wife into collecting. 100%. Support your company, and thank you so much for being a sponsor in Horror Movie Fight Club. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the reply in the email. No one does stuff like that, man. Much love, Daddy-O. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I will continue to spread the word.